Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get blocks in Minecraft Creative Mode. Getting blocks is super simple. When you're in Creative Mode, just open your inventory. This special inventory gives you instant access to every single block and item in the game. You don't need to craft anything or mine for resources. It's all right there, ready for you to use in your builds. Let's dive into how to navigate it. Once your inventory is open, you'll see several tabs at the top. These tabs categorize blocks and items, making it easy to find what you need. For example, there are tabs for building blocks, redstone components, and even food items. If you know exactly what you're looking for, simply type its name into the search bar. This powerful tool helps you locate any item in a matter of seconds. After finding the blocks you want, drag them from the inventory into your hotbar slots at the bottom of the screen. You have 9 hotbar slots available for quick access. Once your hotbar is set, close your inventory. Then, simply select the desired block in your hotbar and right-click with your mouse to place it in your world. It's that easy to start building your creations. Creative Mode offers incredible freedom for builders. With unlimited blocks and items at your fingertips, you can focus entirely on your designs without worrying about gathering resources. You can also fly around your world, giving you a perfect vantage point for intricate builds. There's no health or hunger to manage, so your focus remains purely on bringing your imaginative structures to life. Enjoy building.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.